Okay guys, let's talk about post-squat recovery. So whether that's a squat workout or just a workout that has a bunch of squats, or if squatting is the dominant movement in any Metcon or any other conditioning piece that you do, let's talk about coming down from that. So it's always important to kind of get us out of that really high intensity breathing pattern, that thing that jacks our nervous system up, into more of that parasympathetic state, which is much more relaxed and calm and allows our body to just come back to earth. So my favorite one post-squat dominant workout would be the Brettzel. So the way we do this is we get people to lie down on their sides. And what I do is I'll take that bottom leg and bring it down straight. That top leg I'm gonna bring up and across. I'm gonna take this top hand, I'm gonna reach back, I'm gonna grab that foot, and I'm gonna make sure that my knee stays in line with my hip and the rest of my body. And then I'm gonna try to kind of like lay my shoulder down on the ground, so I'm kind of twisting my chest up towards the ceiling, and I'm trying to take this knee and bring it down towards the ground. So I'm just getting in this nice twist. Now, if people are stiff and sore, this is gonna be kind of a tricky position, but just go to whatever feels, comfortable but tolerable. And then the focus is gonna be, can we just breathe in and out of our nose and in and out of our belly? So it'll look like this. Typically, I'll also encourage with every exhale, let's try to slow it down a little bit, but also as you exhale, see if you can move just like a millimeter further. And some people will be able to get that knee down to the ground and almost get their shoulder down to the ground, or maybe really twist that much. Others not so much, but the idea is just that we're kind of in the sustained position. What you'll feel across this top leg is maybe like a little bit here and in that glute. That low back T-spine might feel like a little light stretch, totally fine. And of course on this bottom leg along the quad, what I would recommend typically is to do 1 to 2 minutes per side. Again, after bringing the body back into that parasympathetic state with the breathing, it totally helps. Give it a try.